Ever wondered about the importance of email footprinting in our digitally connected world? Well, in this era where almost everything is done online, email footprinting is crucial. It's a tool for maintaining security and privacy, a shield against the ever-increasing threats of the digital age. Imagine email footprinting as a detective who helps to uncover the hidden trails left by potential cybercriminals. It's through this process that we can prevent identity theft, phishing attacks, and other forms of cybercrime. It's like having an invisible bodyguard that monitors every email you send or receive, ensuring that no malicious entities can exploit your data. By understanding the origins and pathways of an email, we can expose potential threats before they become actual problems. It's a proactive measure, a step towards becoming cyber vigilant. So, in a world where our lives are intertwined with the digital, email footprinting plays a key role in keeping us safe. Indeed, understanding email footprinting becomes a crucial step in ensuring online safety. But what exactly is email footprinting? It's a term you may not hear every day, but it plays a critical role in the world of cybersecurity. To put it simply, email footprinting is the method of gathering information about an individual or an organization through their email communication. It's like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle where each email provides a small insight into the bigger picture. This process could reveal anything from personal preferences and daily routines to business strategies and potential vulnerabilities. It's not just about reading between the lines, it's about connecting the dots across multiple messages and interactions. In the realm of cybersecurity, email footprinting is a powerful tool. It helps identify potential threats, detect vulnerabilities, and fortify defenses. It's the proverbial canary in the coal mine, alerting us to danger before it strikes. Now that we understand what email footprinting is, it's time to delve into its process. Embarking on the process of email footprinting can seem daunting, but fear not, it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First up, identifying the target. This is where you decide the specific email address or domain that you want to investigate. It could be your own to ensure you're not leaking any unwanted information, or it could be a suspicious email you've received. Once you've identified your target, the next step is gathering information. This is where you collect as much data as possible about the target. This could include the email server, the IP address, or even the geographical location associated with the email. There are numerous tools available online that can assist you in this process. The third step is analyzing the data. Here, you'll sift through the gathered information to identify any patterns or anomalies. You might discover that the email was routed through multiple servers, indicating that the sender was attempting to hide their true location, or perhaps the IP address is linked to a known spammer or hacker. The final step is taking preventive measures. Based on your analysis, you'll need to decide what action, if any, needs to be taken. If you've discovered that your own email is leaking information, you might decide to switch providers or change your security settings. If you've identified a potential threat, you might decide to block the sender or report them to the relevant authorities. Remember, email footprinting isn't about snooping or invading privacy. It's a proactive measure to protect yourself and others from potential threats in the digital world. It's a tool for awareness and protection, and with the right approach, anyone can do it. By following these steps, one can effectively carry out an email footprinting exercise. Of course, to perform email footprinting, some tools and techniques come in handy. Let's delve into a few of these now. First up, we have software tools. These include programs like the Harvester, which can extract email addresses and subdomains from public sources. There's also Maltego, an open-source intelligence tool which visualizes data, relationships, and patterns, making it easier to identify valuable information. Web-based tools are also essential players in email footprinting. One of the most commonly used is CHOAS lookup services. By entering a domain name into the .wise database, you can access information about the domain's registered users, including their email addresses. Another web-based tool is DNS lookup services, which can provide information about a domain's mail exchange records. Let's not disregard manual techniques either. Techniques such as social engineering, where you manipulate individuals into revealing confidential information, can be incredibly effective. But remember, it's crucial to use these techniques responsibly and ethically. Also, it's beneficial to know how to use search engines effectively. Advanced search operators can help you find specific information, including email addresses on a particular website. For instance, using the site operator followed by a domain name and an email symbol can help you locate email addresses associated with that domain. With these tools and techniques, email footprinting becomes a more manageable task. Remember, the key is to use them wisely and responsibly to protect and secure your online presence. In today's digital era, email footprinting is a vital cybersecurity practice. We've journeyed through an enlightening discourse, and it's time to reflect on the key points we've covered. We began by emphasizing the importance of email footprinting. It's a crucial practice that helps us understand the online footprints left by our digital communications. With the increasing cyber threats we face daily, it's essential to be aware of the trails we leave behind and how they can potentially be exploited. Next, we delved into the concept of email footprinting, shedding light on its essence. We learned that it involves gathering and analyzing information about an email sender's identity, location, and the devices used. This information can be instrumental in tracking down cybercriminals or preventing cyber attacks. We then walked through the step-by-step process of email footprinting, from the initial phase of gathering data through analyzing headers and tracing IP addresses to the final stage of interpreting the findings. We saw how each step plays a pivotal role in the whole process. We also explored the key tools and techniques used in email footprinting. These include email header analyzers, IP lookup tools, and WHOIDS databases. Each tool brings with it a unique angle of analysis, contributing to a comprehensive footprinting process. Remember, understanding and using email footprinting can be your first line of defense against cyber threats. Stay informed, stay safe.